Teresa with BeCozi.com is here. BeCozi.com or BeCozi.net is an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. It can also use for arm knitting and knitting with big needles. Our office is located in Holland, Michigan, so if you're local, please feel free to stop. We're open Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. We're making these videos. We have a channel with 210 videos. It's a BeCozi channel on YouTube. Check it out. It's the biggest collection of video tutorials on hand knitting in the United States and in the world. And today I will be promoting our new color of vegan yarn, confetti. It's extremely beautiful. It's very popular. It's being sold pretty fast. So if you want to try this beautiful yarn, make sure to go to our website, BeCozi.com, go to vegan yarn section and buy this confetti color. And you will need only 1 pound, guys, to make this gorgeous round pillow. There is a pillow insert inside 12 inches. You can also buy it on our website in the accessory section. And I will show you how to make this gorgeous pillow. And if you have our yarn, let's get started. Okay guys, so we will be using this gorgeous confetti color of our vegan yarn. Look how beautiful it is. It's like a rainbow. We call it confetti. So, and we also use this 12 inches insert for the pillow. You can find the yarn in insert of for the pillow on our website, BeCozi.net. This one will be in the yarn section, vegan yarn, and this insert will be in the accessory section. So let's get started. It's how we will put our yarn in front of us, like that. This is the tail, this is working yarn. Working yarn goes on the top, make a loop, and make sure to leave about 10 inches over here for connecting the bottom of the pillow. So now when you have the loop, insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it out. So here we are. We just made our first stitch, guys. So it's a little bit too big, so we will pull working yarn down to make it a little bit smaller. So now insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull it out. So we just made our second stitch. Try to make it the same size as the first one. And now we will be making a chain of 11 stitches, okay? So we have 2. Now press the bottom of the second stitch, insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. We have 3 stitches now. Now the same, push on the bottom. This way you're holding and stitch is not getting bigger. This way they stay all the same size. Grab working yarn and pull it out. So now we will just keep making a chain like this until we have a chain of 11 stitches for this beautiful pillow. Let's count what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So now when we have 11 stitches, we will flip this on another side. We will connect this chain into a circle like this. See, we have a beautiful circle. Now this tail goes inside, not this stitch, but the previous stitch from underneath, like that. This way we connected our chain. See, it's beautifully connected. The tail goes inside, that it wouldn't be on the way. What we will be doing now, guys, we will be knitting in a circle. So we will be knitting this middle part of each stitch. See, they are kind of sticking out, except of the first one kind of was hiding. So it's not the top part, it's not the bottom, it's the middle part of the stitch. You're lifting it, inserting your hand, grabbing working yarn and pulling it out. So you just made your first stitch on the second row. The same here, not top, not bottom, the middle part. Insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. I just love how beautiful and soft this yarn is. Let's make our third stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will be knitting this way all 11 stitches until we are done with our first row. And then I will show you a little trick with the last stitch. So make sure you're using the middle part of the stitch. That will give us a really beautiful bottom of the pillow. I will show you later. So here we are. This is our stitch number 10, and this one is stitch number 11. See, we have this beautiful like a chain over here, and this one, the only stitch that looks different. What we will do, we will insert our finger and grab this stitch and pull it out. See, you have a stitch now and this big loop. Insert your fingers or hand inside this loop and then pull this loop out. See, we now have beautiful chain all around. What we will do now? Now we will knit the same simple knitting stitch for 11 times. Going for the next, it will be already third row or second row after we started knitting. The first one was our cast on. Then after we're done with the row, and the way to see when you're done with the row is this tail. So this tail, see, it shows you where the row starts. So this is our last stitch, number 11 of the second row, okay? I think, right? Yeah. So what do we do now? Now we are connecting this yarn like that. We are folding it in two, and now we will be knitting this side, then flipping on another side and knitting another side. And the reason we did this way, because this way stitches are closer to each other, and when you are knitting them, there will not be much gap in between, and it will look really nice on the finished project. So see, we finish this side, flip it on another side, working yarn on the back, and keep knitting this way. So we will need to knit for at least 5 rows, guys. If you're knitting on the looser side, and if you're knitting tighter, then you will need 6 rows. In any case, it will be about 1 pound of this beautiful vegan confetti yarn that you can buy at BeCozi.net or BeCozi.com. It's the same website. And this yarn is not available in any craft store in United States or abroad because I created it. It was custom created specifically by my request. So here we are. I will be knitting for 5 rows total, and then I will come back, show you what to do next. Okay guys, so we made 6 rows, okay? I made 6 because I was knitting a little bit kind of on the tighter side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So see, you can see where we started and where we finished this row. So the tail shows us. Now we will break the yarn. We will leave about 10-15 inches. And we now will be connecting this into a pillow. So this is the bottom, and this is our tail. The tail will go inside, from inside out, in each of these stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, not the middle part, the outside part. So take the tail, go underneath from inside out once, and then 10 more times until you go through all stitches, and this way you will connect the bottom of the pillow in a very nice flower looking chain. So here we are. We inserted it in every stitch, and now we will insert it in one that where the yarn was inserted previously. See this, and then one more. So this way we will have this beautiful flower on the bottom. Now the tail goes in the middle of this flower, inside like that. We will go inside and we will spread this yarn. We will split it in two, and then you can attach it to any stitch inside and make a knot, another one, and here how it will stay. You can cut the yarn, it will be inside, you will not really see it. So now the insert of the pillow goes inside, and now we will be connecting the top the same way we connected the bottom, guys. See, have this beautiful bottom. Now this is our yarn. Can make one extra. Okay, so yarn goes inside every stitch from inside out. Oops, and I just lost a stitch. This way we will connect our beautiful pillow, rainbow, confetti, and it will be really beautiful addition to any room in your house. So when you are connecting it, you can pull it a little bit, and this way it will be connected into the beautiful flower-like top. Don't miss any stitches, especially this last one. So the same way, guys, as on the bottom, when you connect it, then insert this tail inside two of the stitches that we inserted it previously. This way it will connect it in this beautiful flower-like top. Okay, so now this tail will go inside. First we will actually split it in two, and then find any stitch underneath and make a knot. Then you can cut it and you can hide it inside. Here we are. Look at this gorgeous pillow. Isn't it beautiful? And it's like literally 10-15 minutes of your time. This is the top. This is the beautiful bottom. The bottom looks like a beautiful flower too. And it will take you only 1 pound of our beautiful confetti vegan yarn. We have different colors of vegan yarn, but this one is the brightest and the most beautiful and most popular one. Go to BeCozi.com, get some yarn, stay warm and be cozy.
Hey guys, my hand knitting book is ready for you to purchase. It can be purchased at BeCozi.com and on Amazon, and also available as an e-Kindle. It's a perfect gift for yourself or your loved one. It's the most unique gift and book on the knitting market.